Hello there, welcome back to another tutorial. I'm Nobel from expart. Today I'm here to give you another beautiful lesson. So when you're learning the Adobe, so you have to learn always something new and special that's make your work easier. So like this, so in that class we are just gonna learn how to make any kind of pattern into any kind of backgrounds or clothes. So this really pretty much interesting class. So what are you waiting for? Let's do that. So first of all, in here, so we have this woman. This is the t-shirts. We want to put a floral pattern in that t-shirts. This is the pattern we want to put this woman's t-shirt. So this is pretty much easier. Let's show you how to do that. So first of all, we have to take these images on your Photoshop. So let's see that's how is the qualities, and also this one. Take another page and take another page and make this let's see these qualities how it, and it's a pretty much smoother and good qualities images in here. Now you can just check this layer option, or also press the F7, just unlock it, and then go to edit, and then you get your option define patterns. So this is the define pattern option in here. So this is the define pattern, so you can put this name and flower pattern. So in that, how you can make any kind of images turn into a pattern. So again, like that, go to edit and then define pattern. So this is pretty much done. So we have make this pattern. So for the check, so you can take a sample. So is that pattern works or not? So this is my pages, and just unlock it, and then just in here, just for the check, double click in here. Again, I show this is the layer option, layer panel option. You just for the check, so just double click in here, and then pattern overlay. You see that in here in the pattern overlay option in here. So just click in pattern overlay. So this is how it's work, and you see this pattern already fill up, and you can say blend option is a normal, and opacities, and you can just, when you just go in here, you see this arrow button in here. So you can press this in here. You see all of the pattern you can make in here. So you can choose from them and just click. Also option have that scale option. So what is the scale option? So if you want to minimize it, if you want to make it bigger, so this scale option is working here. So in here, so in that scale option, if you just increase it, and you can see this in here, so its scale will be bigger, and if you make it smaller, this pattern will be smaller. So this is a really much interesting. So if you can put any kind of images on any kind of surface, background, t-shirts for the demos, so you can do that. So that's really easier, and that's pretty much okay. This was for the demo version, so you can learn and just jump to the main thing. And we have these t-shirts in the woman bodies. So now I'm going to tell you, this is the woman layer. So this is all the part in the one layer, right? So we have to make the cut down this first of all, we have to cut down this white t-shirt part, because we are putting this pattern into this white part. So very first we have to cut down, very first we have to separate layer this t-shirt layer. How to do that? Just use your pen tools option, because you have to cut it very professionally and perfectly like this. You have to cut down this part. So in here, so cut one by one in area. So just make it perfectly, because if you make it make this quality perfect, so you get a great result. So that help you the proper way. And I see that my YouTubes have a lot of videos, and if you want to learn how to make how to use the Photoshop as a beginner, so if you don't know how to use the Photoshops, Adobe Illustrators, Adobe Animate, so all the courses in here. So I can tell that this channel is really helpful for you, and that's really worth your time. So if you are new in my channel, so just visit my channel. So if you want to learn how to make a animation cartoon, so you can learn. So if you might think this will be for just showing. It's not like that. You have a way to Z class in there if you're a beginner, so that's really helpful for you. So inshallah we will be put a lot of videos in there. Just please hit the subscribe button, so that will help us and motivate us to make a video like this. And that's it. Let's back to focus on this work. Just done. And again told that I press the control and enter, so for make it cut down. And this is a perfectly done. And you see this, we have to choose these areas, is selected areas, and you can choose the control C for copy, control V for paste, control C for copy, control V for paste. And you can see that this is the omen layer, and this is the omen layers, and that's the another layer. There's again told that for omen layer, pattern layer. So again told that my every single videos is much bigger, because I'm seeing put every single thing, so you don't have any confusion in here. So you, and this is the pattern layer, and this is the omen main layer. So in that pattern layer, what you have to do, just double click in here, double click, and again told that just press this, you have to select this layer, and just you have to use hand mark like this, and just select, double click, just double click, and you get a pop-up page like this, layer style, and pop-up page like this. And in here you see this pattern overlay in here. This is the pattern overlay, and just click this pattern overlay, and you can see this is the pattern overlay in here. And just double select in here, and you get a and if you don't have if you have to edit this pattern layer option, so you can edit in here. Just select, just click pattern layer option, and you get a page like this. And also I just describe on this demo trial, so you can learn also in here. In here blend option is normal, and in here opacities, and you can fix this opacity. But in here I have to make this scale a little bit lower, not too much. I think it's bigger. Okay, that's perfect now. Okay, so it's a perfect, but I have some I have some little feelings to how to make it more perfect and more professional. And in here you can select this normal options. Difference is not much working in here. This also look good, and just make the opacity a little bit lower, and it's boom, and it's boom. So in that how you can just export it, sorry, save as this 7 computer, just GPG. And that's done. And you can see in here you can put any kind of, so you can see this part. So if you cut it smoothly, this pattern will look good and smooth. So that's it for today. So if you love iExpert, if you think that iExpert give you some extraordinary knowledge, so support support us to make this channel bigger, because we are in here like family. So if you support me, that's motivate me to make more video. We have lot dreams in our here. So thank you so much guys. Take care, stay healthy, stay focused on work, and thank you.